Meaning of gill.
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 Gill. The term gill has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One common definition of gill refers to a respiratory organ found in many aquatic animals, such as fish and crustaceans, that allows them to extract oxygen from water. Another definition of gill is a unit of measurement used to quantify the volume of liquid, typically equal to 1/4 of a pint. Additionally, gill can also be a surname or a given name. Overall, the term gill has varied meanings depending on the context, ranging from biology to measurements to names.